got Johnny from the deli to play double today.
Good, yeah, nice job, kid.
You want to split it right now?
Nah, it's all you.
What's got you in a rush?
Too much shit, alright? But it's gonna change things for us.
Okay, but what's going on? You don't always need the gun, right?
Russ needs me for a job tonight. It's nothing too special, okay? Just need to wait for my call.
Why can't I be doing the cool shit?
When's the last time a bullet touched you? I'm fucking with you. Don't worry about me, okay?
When are you going?
Oh, shit, right now. Look, pack some shit, wait for my call, and, here. Things are gonna change for us, okay? See you soon.
Yeah, I'll see you later.